Hello there everybody, JHF962 here, and welcome to my new channel. And I'm going to minimize that. But anyway, so in this series I'm going to be making some awesome graphics and stuff using Blender and Gimp. And let's start off my amazing background here. Anyway, let's get started. First we're going to open up Blender, a free program, just Google it. I'll put a link in the description. And we're going to go not Shift A, tap A, double tap A, and hit the delete button, or X, and delete everything. Now hit 7 on your number pad to get the top perspective. We're gonna hit our handy dandy button here. Wait a minute. Is my driver? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. Making sure. Now we're gonna hit space and gonna search text. Now I'm really just expecting that you know how to use Blender sufficiently. Let's see, that is not the buttons we press. I'm trying to think here. What do we press? La 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 la. Okay, can't find it for some reason. Oh, here it is. Okay, so you're gonna go into the little F here, font, after you've inserted your text, and we're gonna hit center to center it. Now we are going to go into edit mode and just type whatever your text is. I'm going to do this Jackson's designs, and it looks pretty boring right now, right? We're gonna go back into object mode, and let's grab ourselves a font. Let's see, I think it's like recent or something. I have no idea actually. Go to we're already under desktop. And we are just going to grab a font. Where did I put you? Where did I put my fonts? I think it might be in the recycling bin. Hold on. Uh-oh. So much in the recycling bin. Oh god. Oh dear. Okay, you know what? We're gonna make this easier. Gonna hit the Windows button here. We're gonna go to Control Panel. Right? And if you're on XP, and yours looks like this, I suggest switching it back to Classic View. Go under Fonts. Hello, Mr. Thank you. And we're going to search Files and Folders, and it is New Era, I think. Era. Search. New Drop Era. And we're going to copy, paste, and there it is on our desktop. So we should be able to go to desktop, and bam, there it is. Open font. And check that out. Now, if we go like this, we will notice that it is pretty flat on our plane here. Go back into top view. Actually, no. Bring it down like that. So what we're going to do now is we are going to extrude it. Ooh, too much. Too much. It's a bit touchy, so you gotta be kinda careful. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Back in top view. Zoom in. Now we're gonna go over here to material. Hit new. And we're going to select a color. And I'm just going to pump up all the green here. All the way up on intensity. You don't have to do all the way up on intensity any stuff like that, but you gotta click that and choose your color and stuff. And now we're going to go down, check mirror, and we are going to pump up our reflectivity about that much, yeah. And that's really all you need to change. Got all your reflectiveness and stuff. And you see, it changes your little preview here. I'll hide that and bring it back. Go away, I command you! Ha ha ha! And you see, it's reflective now. So now it won't look as dull when you go to actually render it out. And now we're going to hit space again, and we're going to type in lamp. I spelled this wrong the first time for some reason when I did this off camera. We're going to grab a point lamp and move it right about here. We are going to duplicate and bring one to like right there. Oops, Shift D. Yeah. And Alt Shift D. That's not how you do it. Shift D. Again. Bring one out to right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And right there. And now we're going to make these different heights. We're going to bring that one there. That one there. Up a little bit. Let's come up like that much. And that one come up like that much. And now we're going to hit F12. Oh. I forgot. And now, so now that we have our lights, we're going to hit space and we're going to do camera, add camera, not camera preset. And you see it's kind of facing down, so we're going to fix that and hit 1 on my number pad. And we're just going to bring this up and hit 0 on my number pad to see whether we're in view here, which we're not. I'm going to zoom out using my scroll wheel. Am I hitting it? Yep, I am. And we're nearly there. There we go. Actually, bring it down just a little. So it just barely fits in the frame. Now we're going to hit F12. And check that out. Jackson's Designs. And yours will say whatever it is you wanted it to say. And now we're going to go under, well, you will hit, oh dear, F3, that's right. Hit F3. Oops. Okay, my bad. I just messed that up terribly. Don't hit F3. Render image. Oh dear, I've forgotten how to do this. Oh dear. Let's see, view, cameras, no. Oh dear, oh dear! Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, well I've just completely forgotten. Is it in your file? I just don't remember. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do this a different way. We're gonna hit render, render animation. Oh, 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 no, no, don't do that. How do I stop it? No, stop, stop, stop. Don't do that. No, 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 stop. That was a bad idea. Okay, so what we gotta do now, we gotta hit the camera. RGBA, PNG, and choose where you want to save it to. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. I don't know what that is. Where did all of this come from? Okay, whatever. Oh! Wrong button. Accept. Oh dear, oh dear. And we're going to change our end to 1, and our start to, yeah, sure, 0. Now we're going to hit I, and lock rot. And so now, wait a minute, what does this button do? Oh. Go away. And so now, we're going to hit 7 again, just so that I can go up here and hit 0. Ugh. So good to look at. I'm just hitting buttons now. And now we're going to hit animation, and it is going to render out our nice little picture here. And it should be out on our desktop as 000, and yeah, there it is. And the background is transparent, and you can just choose whichever one. I'm going to throw that one away. Bye-bye. And we're just going to close this up. You can go to, where am I going to put you? Microsoft Office. Was that where I put the last one? Oh, no, okay. I remember doing something with the other one. We're just going to leave that there. We're actually going to rename as logo. Hit enter. And now we're going to open up Gimp. And while that is happening, I'm going to take a drink of my vitamin water, so please hold. That was good. Alright, so now that we have Gimp opened up, my layer thing is not open, so I'm going to hit Windows, Layers, Channels, blah 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 blah. Now we're going to hit File, New, and I have a template called YouTube Background Template, and the width is 2000, and the height is 2070, and it is oriented to portrait. Oh dear. Yeah, portrait. Now, some people say orientated, and that means that you work for the Department of Redundancy Department. So, yeah. We're gonna hit OK. It's gonna show up as white. We're going to immediately hit the bucket tool and fill it in as black. Alright. Now we're going to just zoom in a bit. Move that. Where should we? Oh, right. Also, make a new layer. Just name it whatever. I'm gonna call it new layer. I'm so original. I'm gonna actually zoom out a little bit. There we go. Now we're gonna hit our rectangle square thing tool here. And where's my coordinates? They should be right there. Okay, so we're going to go to 513, whatever, to about, let's see, it goes to 2000, so we're going to go to, let's see, 500 and 2000, we're just gonna go to right there, sure. That's close enough, right? Yeah. Bam. Make sure that is all the way down. There we go. And all the way up. Very good. Now we're gonna hit select, which is hidden. We're gonna hit border, and border selection be by 5 pixels. Just leave all this the same. Click OK. And now we're gonna choose our color of choice to fill it in. It should preferably be close to the same color as your Blender animated logo, your Blender 3D logo, and then we're just going to fill that in. And now it is all green. And right now that's pretty boring, so we are going to hit select, none, and then we're going to go over here to our layer and do alpha to selection, which is going to reselect it. I don't actually know why you have to do that, but it seems to work. And you're going to hit neon under filters. And you have this, and you're going to change the glow color once again to about the same as your logo. And hit OK. And just leave all this the same. And it is going to load us up a new layer. Or a bunch of new layers, actually. To make our stuff neon. And check that out. I mean, that is some pretty sweet styling. Pretty sweet. Now we're gonna hit new layer, like so. Just hit OK. Whatever, ma'am. And we're gonna do File, Open as Layers, Desktop, Logo, Open. And now we have our awesome 3D logo, but it's in the middle, and that's going to be hidden. So we're gonna. Oh, okay, that's a common mistake. Control Z and move the active layer. I did this last time too. I just fudged it all up. Now we're gonna hit the rotate tool. -90. Rotate. And now we're gonna move this as close into the line as possible, like that. And that looks pretty smexy. And now we're going to do it again. Well, really what we can do is just copy it, edit, copy, or just Control C, whatever. Oh, I was thinking I was using Shift D. And we're going to do select, sorry, all. Okay, maybe not. Okay, right, make a new layer, whatever. I don't care. And we're going to paste it. Like so. And we are going to rotate it. I think 180. Rotate. Oh, I was right. I was right. And put that as close to the line just like that one. New layer again. Oh. Okay, so now we are on our 1 millionth new layer here. And so far this is looking pretty awesome, but you know, that's just not enough. So what we're gonna do, as you see we have our green here, we're gonna grab our brush, and then I downloaded some brushes that I thought were pretty sweet. And we're going to just make some you know what, that looks like grass. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Go away. Let's throw some confetti. Bring down our opacity. Oh wait, no, that was a bad idea. It was a bad idea. That looks like crap. This is a lot of trial and error. You gotta get it looking how you want it to look. So, yeah. Let's see here. Oh, this is a brush. Designs. Oh god, that is huge. That is too big. It is too big. Now we're gonna create another new layer just because there was a little trick that you can use here. So as you can see, they're both facing. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized something. These are in the way. So we're going to create a new layer. And let's see here. And you can really add all sorts of stuff. I'm going to go into light and shadow. Ooh, what's sparkle do? Well, I don't know. I'm not going to play with that. Light and shadow. Supernova. And this looks really cool. And once again, we're going to try to get this as close to our color as possible. Gonna hit our OK button. And I have no idea where this is gonna go, so I'm just gonna say sure, whatever, go there, whatever, I don't care. Leave me alone. Oh, well, that was close to the right place. And we're going to move the active layer until it is right where we want it to be, which is right in front of our, well, my J, or wherever you want it to be. And we're going to hit new layer again, and we're going to do that again. Filters, light and shadow, supernova, hit OK, whatever, you can be there, sure, why not. And then we have a second supernova, which we are going to move over to here. And we're going to get it just right. So now we have two supernovas in front of our Jackson Designs, or whatever your thing is. So I'm going to come up here, new layer, okay, whatever. I have so many layers just called new layer. And we are going to make a new gradient. It's going to be FG to transparent, and instead of linear, it's going to be radial. And we're going to go from the middle, right here at 1000, go down to about 400 in our coordinates here. And just drag it that way. And we're going to bring this one down. We're going to merge down, 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 merge down. So now we have our sweet and epicness. Actually, you know what? I don't like that. Can I go away its face? No? Damn it. Control. Edit. What have I done? We're just going to do I have no idea what I'm doing now. Okay, so we're just going to go save. Oh, crap. No, go away. Save as. Desktop. We're going to save it as bg.jpg. And make sure that all the untitled stuff is deleted like I just didn't. Save. Export. 100 quality. Bam. And yeah. And so now that we have that, you can put your logo somewhere else. I'm going to put it under Microsoft Office because I can. Now we're going to open up our browsers, and mine is for some reason all tiny. Go to YouTube. Oh, by the way, that's my other channel, JHF962. Be sure to subscribe there. I do vlogs and stuff, and cool animation like that. Anyway, we're gonna go under that and hit my channel. Channel settings. Choose file. BG, open, or whatever you called yours. It doesn't matter. And we're waiting. And then bam! I mean, look at that. Now, obviously, we're gonna have to add some videos so that we can see the entire thing. So right now it says Jackson Design or Axon Designs. So we're gonna have to fix that. But yeah. And then as you go down, I'll go farther and farther to black. I'll actually show you one that I did for another YouTuber right now. Don't know why I hit space there. The official DJ Techfire. And you see, I actually beveled his out, so it looks pretty sweet. And he has the neon and the logo, and he has the two little flares here, and you see it fades down to black. And he has the cool little neon. So anyway, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that sweet tutorial. Well, I thought it was pretty awesome. I had fun. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun too. And so I want to thank you for watching, and as always, have a nice day.